Hello and welcome to Command Controlled account day 2, technically 3, because but day 2 didn't record, yippee. What happened on day 2 which didn't record, I just built my adventurous rank and we got nothing special. We put a bit on day 3, as you may see, and we still mean Sucrose. We don't know which standard character 5 stars to choose that we get for free. Please write in the comments, and today you can decide about true restriction or challenge restriction or whatever you want to write in the comments. I do it. Just write a comment, please. I'm desperate for comments. We had about 5 tutorial learning jokes in this episode, and I can't post long content because YouTube doesn't trust me and wants my telephone number, and I can't give YouTube my telephone number. And I'm gonna post some funny clips of the stuff that happened, so please follow. Please.